Hi guys, so it's March 1st, 2026 and it's me, Young Heartstrong again, and welcome back to my channel. So andito tayo ngayon sa Argao, Cebu, naka-hazard kasi we will be having a drone shot real quick sa meron sa daan. Pinapakita ko sa inyo. Yan guys, so I wanna take a drone shot maybe around like maybe 15 to 20 seconds lang. And after that, we'll go ahead na sa Buluon kasi we found an interesting camping site in Buluon and it's called Ohana Mountain Resort. So we're interested and we want to go there and experience the place. So it's very sunny, it's giving sunshine, it's giving sunburn. So it's a great time to go have a quick escape and relaxation, have a quick camping. Actually, hindi kami mag-camping kasi meron namang ino-offer na room na for two. So, yun yung in-avail namin. So, see you there! Bye-bye! Alright guys, so it's 11:28 a.m. and andito kami ngayon sa Dalaget, Cebu and medyo gutom na. So we've stopped by here sa my restaurant near sa beach. So ang tawag niya is Barco
By the shore.
by the shore. So let's see kung ano yung mga menu nila and if affordable, if kaya sa budget, and then let's eat here. Otherwise, we'll find somewhere else. Let's go! Ang pareha sila og menu. Wala wala mong Gcash na rin na.
BPI na
App. Okay. Guys, so na. Wala may mga code nga ko like halo. Wala.
dessert lagi.
Masa nga dessert?
Wala na.
Wala yung dessert. Okay. Super relaxing ang restaurant nila dito, guys. Ayan, so balik na kami sa car, guys. And we're going to let's continue the joyride. Medyo busog na kami. And nakapagpahinga kami sa sa drive. Okay, so andito kami ngayon sa Buluon Church and nag-drop by kami para makakapag sendi ng kandila. Kaso walang kandila. Hindi namin alam saan kukunin yung kandila. Asan ba to kandila, love? Baka diretso na lang siguro kami sa Ohana Mountain Resort after this one. Mukhang may nagtitinda ng ice cream. Ayan, hi. Wow. Hi. So, malapit na kami sa Ohana, guys. So, when you come here, please be careful sa driving kasi, especially if car, kasi medyo matarik yung daan. So, dun sa part na yun kanina, medyo matarik talaga siya. And sa pag-uwi, careful din kasi slope siya. So, you have to careful lang sa brakes nyo, sa sasakyan, para, safety. So, malapit na kami. Mga, I think, 3 minutes na lang. So, ayan. Medyo, talaga siya. Oh, ayan, meron pa. Off the aircon. Nag-off na kami ng aircon, guys. Kasi ayaw namin yung mag-overheat yung sasakyan namin. So, ayan. Medyo Silva. Konting tiis na lang, guys. Grabe, ang tarik!
Where the view is giving.
Where the view is like, careful talaga. Kasi medyo
Kapila, ramakal sa review.
So ito yung guys, ito yung daan. Makitid siya, slopey, matarik, zigzag, curve. So you have to be careful. Ayan, malapit na yan. Ohana just ahead. Another slope area. And then, matarik na naman. Ayan. Pero na lang, 2 minutes na lang. Tapos curve na naman. Ayan. Ay, very challenging. Pero sana naman maganda yung place, no? Para yung may element of surprise na andun siya. Ayan. Curve na naman. Guys, so nakarating na kami sa Ohana. Ayan. Ohana. Okay, let's get inside. So 80 pesos yung entrance fee nila. And actually maganda yung yung entrance. Oh my god, you can actually you are welcomed with green, lush flowers and trees and grass. Ayan. Ayun guys, so medyo nahirapan talaga kami, no? Pero we made it! Silva made it! So, late lang din Silva guys, pero
Ah, so this is a
musukol
parking
ni siya og
space.
kuan. Musukol ni siya og kanang matarik-tarik. On na natin yung aircon ulit. And hanap po na kami ng parking guys, okay? Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Ayan. So settle muna namin yung things. Actually, nagdala kami ng EcoFlow. Ito talaga yung naka-help sa amin guys na we have a lot of power. Alright guys, so nakahanap na kami ng parking space. Ayan. Hi Silva! So, hindi namin in-expect yon but we made it. So, actually, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Guys, ang ganda nito. Magpapalipat tayo ng drone mamaya. But look at this one guys. Oh my god, I so love it! Buti wala masyadong campers ngayon, no? So, today is Sunday. Wala masyadong campers. Baka kahapon meron kasi it's Saturday. So, ayan. So, may parang ano siya, parang place natin siya. Parang nasolo natin yung place. Pupunta muna tayo sa reception area para mag-register. Para mag-settle sa room natin. Mamaya mag-room tour tayo. Kasi overnight kami dito. Ganda lang ganda nila guys. And thank you so much pala sa sa sponsor ng luggage. It's mini luggage. It's like 10 kg luggage. I'll use this one kapag mag out of town. Kasi konti lang naman yung dadalhin. So, let's go na! After reception, ma'am. Hi! Sir, nag-vlog ko, sir. Okay lang? Ito ang owner?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow! Ang owner!
Si Ferdy Nicanor.
Abi na ko for the Ohana.
No.
Kaya ang last...
Ohana,
Ano Ohana?
it's a Hawaiian term.
Oh,
It means
because
family.
family. And muna sa bito siya Hawaii, no? Yung background ba?
We dedicate this place for families. Yes.
So it's before, is it a family rest house or something
No,
like that?
actually, this is
So
a
saan siya
very...
before?
This is murag sa Binisaya pa ang term is kasulupan, meaning nga
Bukid pa dyan siya.
Bukid siya.
Secluded, no?
Very rocky place man siya.
Ako kamo na yung nagpa-improve na.
Kami na. Kanin what we are standing
Landscape.
here.
Hmm.
Ang mga tutunan atong pandere kay anak man ni ang terrain.
Ah.
So kani para ka-create ko kuan ba?
Imong gipalan sing patag.
Oh, then
Kano saan na nag-start? Ang Ohana. Kaya sa Facebook receipt na ko siya na kuan.
yeah. Nag-start May pag end na sa 2023, wag soft opening.
Okay.
So nagkuan na may 24 na 2 years na may.
2 years. 26 naman ron sa mga closing to 3 years. Ano na?
Ika kuan year end.
Year end.
Well,
Okay.
3 years.
Hmm.
Ika year end.
So, waksak mo dali mga retreat, mga
Yes,
ano,
ma'am.
no?
Mm.
Nice, guys. Dili lang siguro ko ano, kanang company nga kanang mga duwa kay bro, mga ano niya ba?
Wala man, daghan
Sige,
na
parang-
po nagkontre.
Mga company outing,
Oo.
ano.
Daghan na sila, mga team building.
Yeah. So if you're really not into beach for now and you want a peace, secluded, Hawaiian vibe, yung mga nasa swimming pool, so you can go here. Medyo challenging lang jud kaayo kuya ang dalan.
Yeah,
Na-shock jud me.
there are two ways going here.
Ay, na Google Map para manggod ni kuya.
Then, katong ni Subida kay ka, ana, that's the short route. And kung if you go beyond, then mamutoyo ka. Mamutoyo sa kadiya,
Ah.
layo-layo, pero not
Pero
that,
at least safe siya.
not that straight.
So dito na lang siguro may maaginig uli.
Mas mayo, aron
Mas shock jud
kita
ni
ka
Ali.
rin.
Google mo gud mi nag-base.
ang Google mo hatag man og kanang-
Anyhow, sa vlog na to guys, naadi ay siya second nga longer pero safer way.
Yeah.
Kay sa Google man good, mo recommend man siya shortest way. So, na ay longer way nga mo siguro at inig-uli dito na lang nimo agi kay mas safe siya. And although longer ang travel, but okay ra kaayo kasi safe.
Yeah.
So, say ma-order dali kuya, a restaurant, masa ni ang kitchen?
Kitchen na mo. the
Kitchen,
central
reservation
restaurant.
area,
Yes.
reception, okay.
Yeah. In one na lang mo. We
In
have
one.
here our
Menu.
Menu.
Okay.
this one.
So, naa na mo tanan, since layo man jud kaayo, dili na mi makapangita og kuan.
Na.
Karinderya, dali na lang jud. Maksat mo Gcash,
Na naman pwede.
cash.
Pwede kayo. Mas mayon
Perfect.
cash ma'am.
Okay.
Pero Gcash will do.
So, mo ni siya guys. Dali na lang jud mo guys, kasi mo ato pa mo gawas no, nya mangita ko mo karinderya. So, naa na tanan diri. Nasa shakes, halo-halo na
Na ma'am. Yeah. Kani ma'am.
Okay, naa sila yung mga soft serves, coffee. I think na may tabliya diri, na? Wala.
Wala.
Okay. Money lang, ilang menu guys. So, mo-order ta later, mga inig-lunch. So, nasa dyan mo yung mga kuandari with rice.
Yes ma'am. Na kanang main menu na mo.
Main menu. Asa?
Kani shakes mo naman. Kani ma'am. Kani
Kani, okay.
may mga pork chop, pumba,
Okay.
tubo.
Alright.
Dito mo dito sa bawah.
So, ang sa may imong masulti, day?
Shock ko sa kiyanan dahil like sige gali ka like so natabil ka sa uhana so
Guys, mauna ilang kuan, guys. Ay, masuda! Masuda o chinelas diri? Okay, let's... So, mo ni siya ang inyong hammer like something. Receiving area nga makahuwat-huwat mo while gi-prepare pa inyong hangkuan. Huy, mura man katong Tres Maria sa kuan. Ay, kamig. Oh my God. So, di sila Tres. Nakikiro ka ayaw kong amayan ka, uy. Nagdaragi kang magkaon. Wow. Guys, look just yung mga pine trees and everything. Dala-dala namin yung eco-flow namin. Ayan guys, so ito na yung room namin. Asa mi? Okay. How was it? Okay, let's try. Ito yung room namin guys. Hi Salim! So guys, pet friendly sila ha. Pet friendly sila guys. Wow! Alright guys, so yan, naka-check-in na kami ni Salem. Sa room namin dito sa Ohana Mountain Resort. And syempre, if meron tayong overnight stay, we'll have a quick room tour. So, samahan nyo ako. Let's go, Salem! So, nabook namin siya sa Facebook page. Ilalagay ko po yung Facebook page link nila doon sa description, sa baba. And dito rin. Ayan. So, it's 2,500 per night for 2 packs. And they are pet friendly, guys. And then, they're pet friendly and it's 2,500 including breakfast for 2. So, let's go. So, ayan. Iwan natin yung sleeper. So, pag bungad mo, meron siyang extra bed. Kasi actually, pwede siya for 1 extra person. So, ito yung space dito. Tapos, ito yung queen size bed. Meron siyang maliit na table. Meron siyang outlet. Nagdala kami ng EcoFlow kasi malayo siya sa camping area doon. So, we can bring this one tonight or tomorrow. And then, air conditioned. Meron pa pala isang outlet dito, oh. Tapos, frames. Rack for your clothes. I think para sa clothes. And then, ito na yung own bathroom and CR namin. Ayan. Maliit lang siya, pero may importante mirror. sink, pool, bidet, shower, pero wala siyang ano guys, wala siyang heater. So that's it. Ito lang siya. And we will be having an overnight stay here. And mamaya, pupunta kami sa ground doon sa ano talaga, camping ground para explore namin yung place. Ito-tour ko po kayo and then we'll have a drone shot. So manikita na pa sila yung new rooms coming guys, under construction. Ayan, mga 4 to. Yeah, 4. 1, 2. Ay, 6. 6 pala siya. Yan. Kasi dalawa each cluster. Come on na ko. Lo, silim. Kabuli ka siya aso. Kabuli ka asa silim. Tagadiri ka no. Ay, lagi ko ayo. Uy guys, nice ko ayo. Dili ka mag-drone, uy. Dili ka mag-drone. Guys, nice kay siya guys. First impression guys, it's 10/10. Yeah, guys, kabaw ka lang internet diri guys, social. Starlink. So, bisan pag nakakadiri sa ibabaw sa mountain, you can actually work from the mountain. And guys, nag-lunch muna sila kasi hindi pa sila nag-lunch. Coming here. Ayan. Hi guys, so it's already 6:49 here in Ohana Mountain Resort. So naka-order na kami ng ng dinner namin. We ordered pork ba yun, Day? Pork adobo, chop suey, and yung soup, tinolang manok. So that's gonna be our dinner, and then after that, actually, ayoko nang maligo ng pool kasi sobrang kami, guys. Tapos, ngayon, may issue kami sa tubig kasi may sira daw sa sa main line. So, wala kaming tubig ngayon. Kaninang afternoon. So, pero binigyan naman kami ng mineral water. So, mayaman tayo ngayon, guys. Mineral water yung papaligo namin. Sponsored by Ohana. So, after we eat, siguro spend namin yung evening namin dito sa Ohana and balikan ko kayo bukas. Kasi bukas, magsuswimming tayo, breakfast, and then we're gonna be do a quick tour sa buong area. Guys, so we're having our dinner here. It's already 7 p.m. and we're having a dinner here with Brian. Hi, Brian. Say hi to the camera and to my viewers.
Hi, Renzo. Hi, Renzo.
And
His companion, Renzo.
yeah. So
Featuring our new
we
fountain.
let me show you our food. So we have, as I've said, it's chop suey,
We have canola
chicken soup, and then pork adobo.
and pork adobo.
We've ordered 2 royal soft drink soda, and we have a cup of rice over there. And we have some leftovers here. Pinarito, and then what's this?
It's just raw fish kinilaw.
Perfect. So we have pinarito.
Ano ito ba niya?
Ano na lang, let's review rate na kung siya it's 8/10.
So why?
It's 8/10 because kung ano naman siya, kanang leftover naman siya. But 8/10 siya is lamig siya. Lamig siya, guys. Ang kanil siyang kinilaw siya, guys, pero it's 8/10 gihapon kay gagmay.
Gagmang. Grande kagito.
Katong ko ano to na, katong ko ano ba?
Slice din ba?
Yeah, this one is tinolang manok, so it's 9/10. Veggies, you can never go wrong with veggies. Ayan. 9/10.
The adobo.
Oh yeah, meron pa kaming adobo, guys. Wala si Homer ang laan niya, guys. Okay, ulit na yung adobo, guys.
Mo ba na mag-order guys?
Tara, this is the adobo. Pero di ba sa ubang, this is actually ang humba o adobo kay lahi sa lain-laing location, no?
Kinapsan.
So this is
What's that mag
dried adobo.
Dried siya.
But there are places nga adobo is like humba.
Kinapsan.
Ang adobo na mo kay na ay tuyo.
Correct, di ba? Na toyo suka, na sabaw.
Kuan siya kinapsan.
Kani kay adobo sa amo,
Adobo sa asin.
Ang humba sa amo is katong inyong adobo.
Ang tawag naman na is kinapsan.
So guys, comment down below kung si tawag ninyo ano sa inyong place. Is it adobo or humba?
Ang importante din baboy
Importante
siya.
lami siya din. And importante the same na sila maka-high blood. So, no.
The next day.
Hello everyone! So it's the next day morning here in Ohana Mountain Resort and it's 7 a.m. And ngayon po, napakaginaw, napakalamig at medyo foggy kanina, mga around 6 a.m. Kasi nagising kami around 5 a.m. and we supposed to check the sunrise. Pero yung sunrise pala is dito banda at saka a bit cloudy. So hindi masyadong nakita yung sunrise. So right now it's already 7 a.m. and umulan kasi kanina, guys. So ngayon tumila na yung ulan. So I decided to continue my vlog. So as mentioned yesterday, I will actually tour you guys sa place kung gaano siya kaganda. Actually pala dito na area, there's a movie in Netflix. Like the title is Con Mom. Sila Paulo Contes, si artista dun si Kay Abad at saka si Empoy. Si Empoy, dito sila banda nag-shoot ng movie na Con Mom. So ayun, check nyo sa Netflix, guys, or sa YouTube. So dito Meron silang, actually, this is the camping area, camping ground. Pwede kayo maglatag ng ano dito. Ng tents. This is the outdoor table. Meron dong mga duyan-duyan. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Dito is merong parang ano, duyan din. Ayan. The ground is really clean, well-maintained, at saka full of Bermuda grass. Dito pwede kayo maglagay ng tent dyan. Ayan. Look at the place, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Diyan, pwede kayo mag-drone dyan. Yung tatlong view deck na yan, pwede kayo mag-drone dyan, mag-picture, and everything under the sun. Dito naman is yung camping, yung parking. So, malaki yung parking nila, guys. Di tayo medyo naka-exercise lately, so medyo hinihingal. So dito kami nag-park. Ayan. Ayan. Overnight camping. So these are the rules and regulation of the camping site. So dito naman, hindi pa kami nakapunta sa baba, pero meron pa siyang ground dun sa baba if you want to do camping on the ground. Tapos sa baba is already the swimming pool. Nakapag-drown ako kahapon. Nakita naman yung pool. Hindi pa ako nakaligo, but now or later maliligo kami. So let's go sa pool. Ayan. Meron na daw dito. Naka-hold na sila ng 4 events na wedding. So they had 4 wedding events. So meron silang mga cottages. Here maybe for those people na mag-date they use. Ayan. Ayan. This is the pool. Ang laki ng pool nila, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Eto pala siya dati. This was not intended and planned to be a camping site or a retreat area, but this is solely a family rest house. But people are asking to open it in public, so the owner decided to open it to people, to guests. Ayan, bumaba pa talaga tayo. Para sa inyo, guys, pababa tayo. Charot. Ayan. It's a big area daw. It's a 4-hectare property. And unti-unti nilang dinevelop and they open it to the public. So the owner, the husband came from Bulhoon. The wife is from Negros daw. Napanood niyo naman kahapon sa sa interview ni Kuya. And they do not accept credit cards, they accept cash and GCash. But preferably cash. So look at this, guys. So they also have something here. Hindi ko na alam kung kaya ko pa ba papunta doon pataas. Ay nako. dito, view deck rin siya. So you can take a picture here. A drone. So be careful lang talaga guys if you are bringing your kids with you. Be careful kasi this is mountain resort. Chances are may mga possibility ng fall, slide, you know, kasi maraming rocks, maraming cliffs. So eto na part na to, ano siya, bonfire. They did not have bonfire kagabi. Kasi medyo walang Sunday kahapon. So wala masyadong guest because the following day today is already school day. I want to have this kind of property kasi, you know, if you want to have something peaceful, somewhere away from the busy streets, traffic roads, so you can have this one. Ayan. Balik na tayo guys. Hiningal ako dun nakabalik na tayo sa taas. Ito yung tatlong view deck aside dun sa baba. Ayan. Pwede kayo palipad ng drone dito. So sa ilalim pala ng view deck merong they use na table. Ayan. Let's try. Careful lang tayo. Wow! Wow! Whew! Whew! Ayan. Whew. Topic ko, yung taas. Grabe. Hangin pa siya kaayo. Alright guys, so it's 8:35 a.m. and dumating na po yung namin, yung breakfast namin. It's free breakfast. Kasama siya sa room na 2.5 per pax. By the way, may sasabihin ako, yung wifi dito na Starlink, hindi siya nakaabot dun sa likod na room namin na 2.5. Dito na siya sa campground at saka sa cafe and sa reception area. So yun. Okay guys, so let's eat na and marami pa tayong gagawin mamaya after this. So, we're waiting sa sa choco, hot choco.
Kadugay mo upload.
Nagumagkaon na kaya kung paito ng mga punuan sa likod. Kailangan tayo mga kalyo.
Kabahanti din.
Kabahanti dito.
Libre ang pagkaon. Okay guys, so we're going to the pool now. This is our last event. Charot. We'll swim for the rest of the hours. Kasi check out na namin at 12 noon. So we'll spend the day, the rest of our time here sa swimming pool. Let's go! So na-tour ko naman kayo kanina. So no need to tour na. Alright guys, balikan ko kayo ha. Alright guys, so we're actually done here sa swimming dito sa Ohana Mountain Resort, and that actually ends my vlog here in Ohana Mountain Resort, Buluan. And again guys, thank you so much for your support and subscribing to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share the video, and please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification for more updates if I post new videos or contents here in YouTube. So thank you so much guys, until my next vlog. Peace.